Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to toggle frame generation on or off in DragonSword Awakening. Let's begin by opening settings. From here select graphics, scroll down to the very bottom of this menu. Here is the FSR frame generation. Here you can simply toggle it on or off. I think if you have other upscaling techniques, this may also change, but I don't think so, because, well, either TSR and FSR don't really don't have differences here, or this is simply the case where FSR frame generation is independent from this option. Of course, once you are done right here, simply press the X button, this will close the menu, and well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.